How much does cost in Japanese?
いくらですか?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to shop like a legend? Let's make prices your new superpower. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we're hunting price tags with the magic phrase.
いくらですか?
Wallets up, worries down. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll ask prices smoothly and have fun doing it. Target locked. How much does cost equals?
いくらですか?
Bonus words you'll use: price,
値段、
expensive,
高い、
cheap,
安い、
how much,
いくら、
and the verb to cost.
かかる、
Pro tip.
いくら、
Also means salmon roe. Don't ask the sushi, ask the price. Beat it.
いくらですか?
Clap the rhythm with me. Feel the phrase in your mouth. Say it on 4 beats.
いくらですか?
Now smooth it.
いくらですか?
Casual word spotlight. How much alone is.
いくら、
Final smooth take, confident and kind.
いくらですか?
Market mini dialogue. Act it out. Imagine a bustling street market and your favorite snack calling your name. You, excuse me, how much does this cost?
いくらですか?
Shopkeeper, the price
値段、
is 500 yen. You, niece, that's cheap.
安い、
Narrator, if it felt pricey, you could say,
高い、
and give the universal wallet face. Pro note. In your head you might think, does it cost a lot? Remember the verb, to cost, is
かかる、
price drills. Your turn, short, fast, and friendly. Point to a bento. Ask now.
いくらですか?
Point to a t-shirt. Ask again.
いくらですか?
Say the key word for price.
値段、
React words. Expensive equals.
高い、
Cheap equals.
安い、
Remember the verb, to cost, for your inner grammar nerd.
かかる、
Culture tip. Be extra polite. A tiny touch of manners goes a long way. In Japan, a smile, a small nod, and a clear
いくらですか?
work wonders. Add a soft, please with.
お願いします。
If you like. At festivals where tags hide, this polite combo gets quick answers about the
値段、
and maybe a bonus grin. Quick quiz. Test yourself. Say answers out loud. Q1. In Japanese, what do you say to ask, how much does cost? A.
いくらですか?
Q2. What's the word for price? A.
値段、
Q3. Say expensive and cheap. A.
高い、
And.
安い、
Q4. What is how much by itself? A.
いくら、
Q5. Which verb means to cost? A.
かかる、
Street challenge. Ready for a mini mission? Let's make it real. At home, pick 3 items and ask out loud for each.
いくらですか?
Label 1.
高い、
And 1.
安い、
Bonus. Make a sentence in your head using the verb to cost.
かかる。
Like, does shipping cost a lot? Then reward yourself with a victory snack. Thanks from Synapse Lingo. You did it, your wallet just learned a new trick. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
いくらですか?
And those price pals.
値段、高い、安い、いくら、かかる。
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Find more fun lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, may your bargains be epic and your prices friendly.